What's going on, all you droniacs out there? We are alongside of the Cloquet River in beautiful Cloquet, Minnesota. First time here with the drone. Pretty cool. As you can see, it's still pretty spring. Not much greening up going on. We do have some geese out here on the river and some other waterfowl. I think I got some shots of. Making sure, stay giving their distance and making sure that they're comfortable with the drone flying. But yeah, the river here is pretty high right now. It used to be higher, but we've had some decent rain here not too long ago, and so now the river is starting to run pretty good. What we're looking at there is Dunlap Island. We got some good video of that, and also some really cool video of Cloquet. There goes a little seagull out there, but and then there goes some geese. You probably can't. Oh yeah, there they go. Didn't think you could see them, but yeah, got some good shots of Cloquet. Yeah, so I believe this is the preview of the main video that will be coming at you probably tomorrow. So and you know how us YouTubers like it. We would love for you to subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff. And if you want to be notified of any other videos, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That helps out a lot. But anyway, yeah, pretty excited to put this together. Lots of geese over there. I didn't get too much of them, but yeah, I'm just really excited to put this together and see the beautiful sights of Cloquet. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye now.